So question is that the hospitals decides bring in the surgical resident with the 86% of success rate for total knee replacement. So replacement. So the new resident is supposed to complete 50 total knee, re- knee replacement operations. Knee replacement operations during his first month. So this has to be happen in first month. And